In this activity, we will demonstrate how force can change position, motion, shape, size, and direction of objects. For this activity, we need toy train, ball, clay, and spring. First, we will demonstrate how force can change motion and position of an object. Take the toy train and push it. The force applied moves the stationary train forward. If you put your hand in front of the moving train, the train comes to a stop. In this case, the force has changed the position and motion of the toy train. Also, force is used to stop the train. Now we will demonstrate how force can change the shape of an object. Take the clay and press it with both your hands. We observe that the force has changed the shape of the clay. Now we will demonstrate how force can change the size of an object. Take this spring and pull it. We observe that the size of the spring has changed due to force. Now we will demonstrate how force can change the direction of a moving object. Take the ball and push it with both hands like this. We observe that force applied by the hands changes the direction of the moving ball. So in this activity, we have demonstrated how force can change position, motion, shape, size, and direction of objects.